Hello and welcome to the second episode of Channel BEX Asia. In this captivating live stream series, we are thrilled to present a lineup of remarkable companies that are reshaping the landscape of the built environment sector in Asia. In this episode, we shine a spotlight on Singapore-based innovators who are driving transformational changes in their sector. Join us as we explore Alpha Metal, a trailblazer offering an extensive collection of cutting-edge hardware and accessories designed to meet both durability and aesthetic demands. Next up, we delve into Difuze, a visionary in the scene of intelligent air and mechanical ventilation products, revolutionizing the local construction scene. The spotlight then turns to Eetarp Engineering, unveiling their groundbreaking Graphene Building Management System, which promises enhanced efficiency through real-time issue detection and analysis. We also delve into KSE's Infinity Balanced Wave technology, a game changer that optimizes energy consumption while maintaining operational excellence. Also, we showcase SP Digital's Green Energy Tech Suite, empowering building owners and facility managers to embrace sustainability and enhance occupant experiences through smart energy insights. Join us in discovering the future of the built environment as these remarkable Singaporean companies lead the way with their innovative solutions. Don't miss out on the exclusive opportunities to witness the latest innovations that promise to elevate efficiency, sustainability, and occupant experiences across Asia's built environment landscape. So, our first exhibitor we have with us today is SP Digital. So Zach, can you introduce yourself and tell me a little bit more about what you do in your company?
All right, thank you, Yusin. Hi, I'm Zach from SP Digital, and I work with partners to drive their sustainability and digital transformation journey in the commercial and industrial sector. So it's always great to be back here in BEX Asia again, where building environment comes together, the entire life cycle from equipments to materials to building technologies. So it's always great to be part of this event.
That's good to have you too. So tell me a bit more about the products you have.
So in SP Group, we look at sustainability holistically, from operational efficiency to energy efficiency, but not impacting the thermal comfort. So in SP Group, we provide this through a suite of sustainable energy solutions, from district cooling, where we actually operate one of the world's largest underground district cooling network right here in Marina Bay, followed by, of course, renewable energy solutions, where we deploy solar PVs across the region, and EV charging, where we are one of Singapore's largest EV charging network operator today. And last but not least, digital technologies, where all these capabilities come together and interoperate, and how do you then push the boundaries further in terms of driving sustainability.
So let's take a look at the products we have with us today.
Sure. So in SP Digital, just to share a little bit more in our approach, we take a three-step approach with our organizations. We also understand that some of our customers are adopting this technology at different phases of their current state, where we modularize our products and our capabilities, and we take a three-step approach to this. And the first step being baselining, where we understand the current state of affairs and how are they operating at the current state, followed by optimization, where we introduce controls to optimize the use of renewable energy, and last but not least, to monitor the impact and assess the results of these technologies that we've implemented. So for a start, we're showcasing SP Digital's Get Insights, where we deploy a suite of sensors and devices to monitor the utilities consumption, and users are then able to have visibility into their utilities consumption. And within here, you are also able to take a look at how much are you emitting in terms of your carbon emissions, and have full view of your breakdown of each of these equipment within your building. And this actually helps users to focus on the key areas, the energy guzzlers, to introduce other technologies to reduce the consumption for this.
Wow, if I'm a customer, I feel very safe in your hands.
Yeah, no. So I think this is on the baseline. And as we move on to introducing optimization, where we head over to this side, SP Digital's Get Control introduces an entire suite of sensors and also control units to optimize the air side of floor areas, right? So this is commonly introduced in during the pandemic phase.
Mm-hmm.
And one of the things we do is to cool out cool air within a premises. So in some buildings where you sit close to the windows, it's actually relatively hot. Whereas if you're in a building, in the middle of a building, it's actually very cold. So for most facility managers, what they'll do is to ramp up cool air, which makes the people sitting in the middle feeling extremely cold, but comfort for those people in the window. So we introduced these sensors to balance out the cool air within their floor plates, and also to then ramp down the cooling requirements, because once your cool air is balanced out, you reduce your energy consumption by ramping down your cooling equipments, and that's how we actually improve thermal comfort but introduce energy efficiency as well.
Wow, that sounds extremely efficient, and I think the entire room will be at the same temperature.
Yes, and the cool air will be balanced out across the entire floor plate as well.
Can you tell me a bit more about the energy efficiency that you have achieved?
So in some of the projects, we focus on two parts of it. One of it is actually occupant experience, where we work with occupants' well-being, where we work with human resources to understand what's the impact after implementing these technologies. So with one of our deployments, we look at about 20% in terms of improvement in thermal comfort, and further 18% in improving the energy efficiency. Yeah.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Yeah. So I think one of the common things that the industry has been talking a lot about is actually employees are an asset for most of the organizations, and improving the thermal comfort, studies have also shown that it will impact productivity. Therefore, more organizations have started to be more interested in terms of improving the air side, as well as coming out of the pandemic. This has become a center focus for a lot of organizations as well.
Wow, increasing both sustainability and productivity. I think this sounds like a really good product to have.
Yeah. So one of the advice that we normally give our customers is actually to look at technology, be open, look at technologies across, like even in BEX Asia as well, look at technologies across the various exhibits, because what we also learn is that different technologies can cater for different buildings even within your portfolio itself. So that's why you got to select the right technologies for the right use cases and for the right purposes.
Wow.
Yeah.
So in a nutshell, what would you say are the main benefits that customers get to have if they work with you?
So a couple of things. One is that we provide an end-to-end, and we take a very iterative approach, as I mentioned earlier, on baselining, monitoring, and also measuring the impact. And we take an iterative approach, and as we introduce new technologies, we will then share this with some of our customers as well to further reduce the utilities consumption. As we know, in Singapore, it's hard for us to get through to be fully powered by renewables. So what we need to do is to optimize the use of these resources.
Oh, thank you so much for the episode today. I'm really impressed by SP Digital's work, and I would want to employ this smart sensor in my home or business if I had one. Okay, thank you so much for this, and we'll move on to the next next exhibitor. Our next exhibitor is Alpha Metals and Marketing. Let's see what they have in store for us today. So can you introduce yourself and your company?
Okay. Hi, my name is Stefan, Director of Alpha Metal and Marketing Private Limited. Yeah, so we have been in business for the last 45 years, dealing with aluminium extrusion as well as hardware, which most of our hardware, we actually get it specified for HDB usage, which means to say all the upcoming HDB flats and all these things, the hardware they're using is actually from Alpha Metal.
Wow, all the HDB flats and hardware.
Yes, so we are one of the approved vendor, hardware supplier vendor for HDB.
Wow, I think we see a lot of panels here today. Let's walk us through it.
Sure. So this year for Alpha Metal in BEX Asia 2023, what we actually introduced are two panels that are more of the heavy duty, okay, as well as for external use, as well as another two solution for internal use. So maybe I'll touch on the exterior part first. So this door here, which we actually do produce, okay, supply in the market, can go up to 6 meter high,
6 meters,
3 meter wide for one panel. Okay, so the door of this can go up to almost 500 kg, acoustic, okay, and it's a very heavy duty door. Okay, this is a new profile, new system which we actually introduced into the market. All right, so this one it's also acoustic function, meaning it's soundproof. Okay, whereby the difference between both of them, one is the roller on the top, The other one here, which is the roller below. Okay, so this is more for the exterior usage and mainly used in landed properties, good class bungalows. All right. So the other interior system that we actually interior solution that we actually display during this exhibit during this BEX Asia was this magic dot slim profile, okay, which according to the market trend right now, okay, with soft close function. So if right now I do just a bit demo, 3 panels, okay, if I do a rough demonstration,
Wow.
soft close.
I did hear a thing.
Yeah, so this is where we do demonstrate. The most important part is this is without track, which means to say interiorly at home, you can actually do your cleaning easier. You don't trap dust and so on and so forth. Okay, and another solution which we provide for the balcony usage is whereby it's also a sliding system. Okay, but the beauty of this system is it actually can open all the way, and I do 180 opening.
So the entire walkway is free.
Entire walkway is free. Okay, so these are the 2 solutions that we actually broadcast. We actually showcase in this BEX Asia 2023. And also over here, whereby our hardware, which just earlier on I just mentioned that it is HDB, one of the vendor. So most of our hardware here is tested by TUV, approved by TUV for things like this 100,000 times opening. Okay, so assuming you open per day 10 times, you take at least 10,000, which is almost a good 20 years, 30 years kind of opening. Yeah, so that demonstrates Alpha's quality for hardware.
Wow, that sounds like a very durable and resilient build.
Okay, and lastly, in part of our show this year, besides the aluminum system, we also showcase panels. Okay, this one we actually did it last year. Okay, whereby we have it opaque and see-through. But this year, okay, for this system, we do it in a programmable. Okay, meaning to say this year we wanted to exhibit a bit more on Alpha system, the name of Alpha. So this is where we have it as a marketing tool. Keep on projecting it. Okay, and the beauty of this is we are looking to work with those corporates, okay, who wants to, in their own conference room, wants to showcase their own branding. And this is something that we can work on with them. Right, so this is what we have exhibited. And then also in terms of the green products, okay, this year we are trying to work with Singapore Green Building Council to launch 2 platforms on recyclable. One is on a wood material, the other one is like a composite panel. Yeah, so that's what we did for BEX Asia.
Oh, this sounds really, really cool. I've not seen a door that can turn transparent and opaque so fast.
Okay, yep.
Is there anything else that you want to add on?
I think this is basically what we display in the show, and also in this year we also hope to have more like overseas customers to come in, whereby we can do more of export outside to, in other parts of Southeast Asia countries. Right. So this is what we have for this BEX Asia.
Oh, thank you so much. And do come down to Alpha Metals and Marketing to see more of their products in real life.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for this, and we'll move on to the next exhibitor. Welcome back. Our next exhibitor is Eetarp. Let's see what they have in store for us today. Can you tell me a bit more about yourself and the company?
Yeah, of course. Hi, I'm Lee from Eetarp Engineering. Okay, I actually worked for more than 10 years in Eetarp alone. Okay, started from a project engineers. So now I'm holding a responsible as a sales manager in the group. Okay, so for Eetarp, as you can see, Eetarp is actually part of Bender. Okay, we are actually in the market, in the Singapore market for more than 20 years now. Okay, and recently we were acquired by Bender Group. Okay, we are specialized in these 3 categories. One is electrical safety. So electrical safety is more for like we have electrical protections solutions like leakage current monitoring, we have residue current monitoring, insulation monitoring devices. Okay, and we have these energy management solutions. We provide like building management system, we provide energy management system, we even provide a comprehensive, okay, not only the solution, also the service, okay, to help you to maintain the system and to help you to improve the building efficiencies. And also, we provide this power quality. So power quality, we take care of your power quality. We have solution for like harmonics filters. We have also like voltage dip compensators. Okay. We have also like this the power quality service, analyzing service. Okay, to help customer, to help the building owners to analyze and also to measure the power quality in the electrical system. So in overall, we are actually electrical solution companies. So if you need any solution or if you need any advice or consultancy for electrical safety, energy management, or even power quality, we are the right company for you. Yeah.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
Yeah.
So how do you think customers can benefit from using your products?
Okay, maybe to look into the benefit, first probably I will share you what we are doing. So what kind of solution, what kind of products we have in our group. Okay, as you can see here, we have wide range of products, okay, in the whole buildings. Okay, so started from from the number one, so you can see we have a voltage dip compensator and active harmonic filters. So this is actually focused in the power quality. So we help chiller, okay, to protect the chiller. We have this semi F47 compliance for chiller protection. We also have active harmonic filters to comply to the IEEE 519 to ensure the building complying to this THD of 5%. Okay, this is one solution that we supply for power quality. And other than that, we have a wide range of energy measurements devices. Okay, start from a single phase, a small basic wide range energy meters, until the power quality analyzers. So we have full range of energy product for energy measurements and also for power measurement. Okay. So over here, we have also solution for like electrical EV charge controllers. Okay. So we supply the controller for EV chargers manufacturers. Okay. So this is basically the brain of this EV charger. So we can help to measure the consumption of the EV chargings. And also we have this DC leakage protection as well, okay, to help to protect the human and also to help to protect the equipment. Okay, so other than that, we have all the products, okay, everything. We can also have solution to consolidate all the product into one. So this is why we are electrical solution company. So we have one-stop solution. So we have a software system, okay. So actually focusing in this building management system, okay, to basically to monitor and also to control the M&E equipment, M&E facilities. And also we have the power and energy management system to help building owner to manage the electrical safety, to manage the energy consumption and improve the efficiency of the electrical system. Okay, we have a demonstration, the software demonstration here, okay. So a quick overview of our solutions. So this is one of the examples we implement in buildings. Not only building, we also implemented the solution in data centers, in hospitals, even in production plant. Okay, probably let's have a minute, then we have a quick overview of the system. Okay, so we have a full solution consists of a dashboard, consists of monitoring devices. Okay, so this is one example of our dashboard. Okay. So we have customized dashboard. Actually, we specialize in customization and flexibility in our system. So our system is scalable, can be used for a small office, can manage a few buildings, or even regionally. We can have a centralized solution to monitor different buildings in different countries. Okay, so this is one example of a dashboard for data centers. We have efficiencies monitoring. We have the load monitoring. We can customize the dashboard to monitor the load consumption in every area or in every month or in every durations. So this is one example for it. Okay, other than that, we have also for data center solution, non-residential solution for dashboarding. Okay, so this is actually complying to the green mark requirements. Okay, so our solution and also product, we also deploy, and also we actually, I would say, certified with the green mark requirements and complying with the green mark requirement. For example, in green mark, they actually ask for the class 0.5 or class 1 accuracy. We have also product complying to the solution. So with our solution, basically, a customer or consultant, they can score the green mark points for green mark compliance. Okay.
Wow, Eetarp really looks like it provides a one-stop solution for all our needs for electricity and product management.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is what we are trying to do. Not only the solution, actually we are providing the service. Okay, after sales service, we can provide a maintenance service to the client, especially for those critical facilities. This is why we are in a group of hospitals. We deliver a solution in data centers. Okay, those are actually critical facilities. So we are expertise, and also with our solution, we definitely can help not only building owner and also other facilities management. Yeah, so we can contribute to the smart nation, because smart nation is also one of our goal that we hope Eetarp ourselves we can contribute to the government and also to the country, to the nation. Yeah.
I think Eetarp is definitely contributing a lot to the country.
Yes.
Thank you so much for this introduction. And if you want to learn more about Eetarp solutions, do come down to BEX Asia. And we'll move on to our next exhibitor now.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
Our next exhibitor is KSE Infinity. Let's see what they have in store for us.
Hi.
So can you introduce yourself and tell me a bit more about your company?
Yes, sir. My name is Heng. I'm the managing director of KSE Infinity Private Limited. Our main business, our business model is about achieving real savings holistically to bring down the actual energy cost for our customers and make sure that there is a suitable return on investments so that the customer investment are pay off by itself. So in today's context, I want to focus very much on our project references targeting on the chiller plant. Now, as we know, chiller plant comprises a few components, but the main component is actually the main chiller unit. It takes about 85% of the entire chiller plant energy consumptions. So what we do here is that we have our own patented technology. We call it the balanced wave technology. There's a meaning why we are calling balanced wave technology. How we tackle the energy efficiency is to address the problem of the why cause the chiller to be inefficient. And the main issue is about reducing stress on the chiller system. So our technology is based on quantum technology explanation. So at the quantum level, it's identified that if we do not solve the balance technology, power that's coming into the system, these unstable electrons that's been traveling for miles and miles, when you come to the plant, it creates stress to the systems. Just like if we are not taking care of our own health, we eat the wrong things, we create stress for ourselves and become inefficient. So this implementation has been done for many chillers in Singapore, in data centers and manufacturing plant, and we have achieved 15 to 20% savings. So after we have done this implementation, we have went on to do retrofit on the cooling tower. Now this retrofit is able to achieve 50% savings, even though the power consumption of cooling tower is relatively low. So we have applied this successfully through the correct application and guarantee our customers a proper return on investment based on this project. So as a whole, the chiller plant was able to achieve close to 0.5% efficiency in terms of kW over RT at the chiller plant level after implementing our solution and after implementing the cooling tower together. So with that in mind, we have also now partner with a strategic chiller cooling tower manufacturer called New Wing, whereby we have integrated the advanced fan system into the new cooling tower, where we provide the options for customers who want to upgrade their cooling tower or do an end-of-life replacement for cooling tower. So with that in mind, I want to introduce to Mr. Yong. He's my strategic partner in cooling tower to explain the new cooling tower.
Yeah, hi. So over here is a typical closed circuit cooling tower, but we have an innovation on the driver system and also with the motor, which can improve the efficiency. Then for this type of cooling tower, it can save water by reducing the evaporation loss. So apart from closed circuit cooling tower, in other area like open circuit industrial cooling tower, we all have step in then to do our R&D. So the purpose, our goal is to improve the technology by catch up with the cutting edge technology maybe in other industry haven't implemented in the engineering product. So we try to utilize that to improve the efficiency as much as we can, then to help the user to reduce the consumption as well as the cost of the operations. Yeah.
Oh, sure. What do you think are the main benefits that customers can receive by using our products?
So our product is, we have two ways to help them. One is by reducing the capital cost. Another way we can help them to reduce the operation cost as well. As just now we mentioned that by improving the energy efficiency, that will be under the reducing of the operation costs. Then for capital costs, we have our own design team to design the cooling tower as per the client needs. Let's say you have a constraint in the space or in other engineering parameters, design conditions. So we can provide our overall very comprehensive solutions to meet your needs by offering a very competitive price.
Well, I love your focus on efficiency.
Thanks.
So this wraps up our exhibition of KSE Infinity and New Rin. And now we move on to our next exhibitor. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Welcome back. Our next exhibitor is Difuze. Let's see what they have in store for us today. So, can you introduce yourself and tell me about your company?
All right, Difuze started in 2020. What we focus on is productivity materials and efficiency products. Okay, so probably I can show you what we have on hand now.
Let's take a look at the products.
Sure. Okay, the first one we have is the EC fans. All right, so nowadays we want it to be efficiency. So what we have is the EC plug fans. This will be the new version of the ventilation fans. Okay, it will consume much more lesser energy compared to the DC fans that we have or the AC in the markets. All right. Okay. So the next one we have on the market right now is a new product that we have just launched. It has a very even distribution, which is the Venman frameless air diffuser. Okay, if you look at it, it has a very nice clean finishing compared to the conventional aluminum diffusers or plastics diffusers in the market. Okay, so these are all materials made from gypsum board, as you can see the samples that we have over here. Yep. Okay.
Actually, standing here, I can really feel like your booth is a lot cooler than outside the expo.
Yes, of course. Because what we have over here, we have installed is our Euro Air fabric ductings. If you can see from here, this is a photo that we have for the fabric ducts. It can be in different colors. Why you say it's cold, it's cooling, because we have a distribution over here at the top. It is spread across our event space in our booth. Yeah.
Can you tell me a bit more about this distribution system?
The fabric duct itself, it has an even distribution throughout, and there's also very low static compared to conventional GI ducts. The best thing for fabric ducts is that it can be washed. There's 10 colors to choose from, so you don't have to really go and paint your ductings or any deals or diffusers. Yes.
Oh, that's really helpful.
Yeah, of course. A lot of customers also told us when they're coming here, they feel more comfortable. Yes. That's a beauty for our Euro Air fabric ducts. Okay. So the next one I want to introduce is our smart control system, which is the recut. We have the electronic diffuser. Okay, we have installed in numerous projects in Singapore already. So what is the efficiency of a fabric electronic diffuser? Okay, from the electronic diffuser, you can see that the screen is off. Can I start the screen or not? Where's the guys?
Yeah, look at this. Yeah, look at this instead. We just look at this computer screen if it helps. Turning on the screen
Energy
now.
saving mode. Okay.
Yeah, sustainability.
Yeah. Okay, Ken. So now I'll start again. So what we have over here is the Ricard Intelligent Control Comfort. It has an individual actuator, motion sensor, airflow sensor, pressure sensor on the diffuser itself. So you can create an individual zoning compared to a traditional VAV box. Okay. So once we have these individual zonings, right, energy efficiency will be at its peak. It can be optimized when there's no occupancy. You can close all the diffusers. When there's occupancy coming in, you can open up the diffusers again. Okay, so you can see from our MLM software over here, the software will provide full details of the diffuser behaviors. We did better in the opening of the position, closing, the temperatures, the occupancy sensors, everything will be reflected over here. We can even bring the MLM software to the next level by incorporating to the BMS systems using our MCU, or our MLM itself is also stand as a mini BMS system. Okay, so with all the diffusers, ducts, what you need is something that is acoustic. So acoustic, what we have is the USA air ducts, which is in the front here. Let me show it to you. What is different between the acoustic USA air duct is that it is made of a non-combustible material.
Non-combustible material.
Yes, it doesn't have smoke. It doesn't create smokes, which is very important. In the event of a fire, in a building that catches fire, what causes humans' life is actually smoke. So with our USA duct, right, there's not going to be any smokes, no toxicity as well. Yes. So another option is that it has a very good black fabric acoustic properties over here. Yes, it can reduce the noise tremendously by around 20% from the air handling unit or from the fan coil itself. Yes, and all these materials can be prefabricated, pre-insulated, and can be sent to site like this, form up. So there's less workers on site, and we can increase the productivity. So it means less workers on site, less injuries. Yeah.
I like how you've considered everything a customer needs, including safety and sound, and even energy efficiency. So besides this, are there any other benefits that customers can get from buying your products?
Yes, of course. We can provide technical supports, which we have software for all the calculations, sizings, acoustic treatments. We have all the software to do all the necessary sizing for the customers to decide. Yes.
Also, Difuze is like one big one-stop solution all customers need.
Correct. Yes.
Sure. Thank you so much for the session today.
No problem.
I think I really enjoyed myself.
Okay. Thank you.
Then we'll move on to our next exhibitor. Thank you. Welcome back. Our next exhibitor is DML Ceilings. Let's see what they have in store for us. So can you introduce yourself and your company?
Hi, my name is Jessie Fong. I'm from DML Ceiling and Louvers. So basically, we are the manufacturer for metal ceiling and louvers, cladding. Yeah.
I see behind us you have a very beautiful backdrop. Can you tell us a bit more about it?
Okay, so we are doing like facades for interior and exterior project. So this is one of the fins. We comes in doing different colors. We have powder coating, pre-painted fluorocarbon coating. Yeah, depends on architectural design and designer design.
And I also noticed that this is the only booth that has a ceiling on top of us. It's a really nice ceiling. Can you tell us a bit more about that too?
Okay, so we even have doing like wood grain texture ceiling. So which you can see with this booth, we can do like in commercial, in restaurant, industrial, or even residential area. You don't need to have using those real wood. Okay, this one is an aluminium wood grain color. So it's a maintenance-free profiles.
Maintenance-free profiles?
Yes, it's a maintenance-free. We are under green building, green products. It's aluminium.
I love your drive on sustainability. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Sorry?
Like, I like how it's green and sustainable.
Yeah, because it's aluminium. So when we install for the exterior building using aluminium, it will save electricity. That's why we have the GBI cert.
Also, I noticed there were many projects across the booth at their site. Walk us through some of the things that you guys have done.
Oh, okay. Let me introduce some of our profiles here. So this is some of the projects we have did for MRT. This is the Bukit Batok MRT. We have did views of the MRT station and also the Tuas checkpoint. Tuas checkpoint, the louvers is by us also. And we have school projects. And also we have this Buona Vista. Buona Vista station is also by us. And also the Changi Airport. We have also done the interior baffle ceilings. And also the MRT, Punggol station.
I really like the design of all these ceilings that you have. Can you tell us what are some benefits that customers will have by working with you?
Okay, the benefits is we have a very good service. Okay, our production line is in Malaysia, JB, KL, Penang. So let's say that lead time, everything will be more easier. Our office is in Singapore here. Okay, yeah.
Do you have anything else that you want to add and tell us about?
Yeah, so if you need like any custom-made profiles, like special shapes, cladding, ceiling, you can look for us. We can customize based on designs, special designs. Yeah.
Okay. Then thank you so much for showing us your booth. I think it's been really pretty.
Okay, thank you.
And then we'll move on to our next exhibitor. Thank you.